In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best handheld steam cleaner on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best handheld steam cleaner on Amazon. Number 1, ScrubWiz 10-in-1 Steam Cleaner, Steam Mop and Detachable Handheld Steamer with 320 ml tank, 10s fast heating, portable multi-surface cleaner for kitchen, floors, tiles, windows, barbecue grill and car. Bright white point 10-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner, functions as both a steam mop and handheld steamer, perfect for floors, tiles, windows, kitchen surfaces, barbecue grills, and cars. Rapid 10-second heating generates steam quickly for fast, efficient cleaning and disinfecting. Large 320 ml water tank provides extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Detachable handheld design converts easily for detailed cleaning of countertops, grills, sinks, and hard-to-reach areas. Portable and lightweight, easy to maneuver around the home, ideal for a wide variety of cleaning tasks. The ScrubWiz 10-in-1 Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning faster and more efficient. Equipped with a 320 ml water tank and 10-second rapid heating, it delivers high-temperature steam that effectively cleans, sanitizes, and refreshes surfaces. Its 10-in-1 functionality allows it to be used as both a steam mop for floors and tiles, and a handheld steamer for windows, kitchen surfaces, barbecue grills, and even car interiors. The detachable handheld design makes it easy to tackle hard-to-reach areas and detailed cleaning tasks, while the lightweight, portable build ensures comfortable handling for extended use. Ideal for multi-surface cleaning, the ScrubWiz 10-in-1 Steam Cleaner combines power, convenience, and efficiency to help you maintain a sparkling clean home with minimal effort. Number 2, Mxnsewr Steam Mop All-in-One Powerful Handheld Steam Cleaner Detachable Floor Steamer with 11 accessories, multi-purpose steamer for hardwood floors, clothes, windows, tiles, carpet, whole home use. Great all-in-one multi-purpose steamer, functions as both a floor steam mop and handheld steamer for versatile cleaning. 11 accessories included. Comes with multiple attachments for floors, clothes, windows, tiles, carpets, and other surfaces. Powerful steam cleaning. High-temperature steam removes dirt, grease, and grime without harsh chemicals. Detachable and lightweight design converts easily for handheld use and reaches tight or hard-to-access areas. Safe for multiple surfaces. Gentle on hardwood floors, fabrics, tiles, and carpets while effectively sanitizing. The Mxnsewr Steam Mop is a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution designed for efficient whole-home cleaning. With its detachable handheld design and included 11 accessories, it can tackle floors, tiles, windows, fabrics, carpets, and more. This versatile steamer delivers high-temperature steam to clean, sanitize, and refresh surfaces without chemicals, making it safe for use on hardwood floors, clothes, tiles, and carpets. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for extended use, while the detachable feature allows you to reach tight corners and high surfaces with ease. Perfect for multi-surface cleaning, the Mxnsewr Steam Mop combines convenience, power, and efficiency to maintain a spotless and hygienic home. Number 3, PureSwirlz 10-in-1 Steam Mop, Detachable Handheld Steam Cleaner, Multi and Up Steamer for cleaning with 350 ml tank, 10s heat up, 23-foot cord, 248 degrees Fahrenheit 1200 W. Powerful floor steam mop for hardwood floors, grout, carpet. 10-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner, functions as a floor steam mop and handheld steamer for versatile cleaning around the home. Fast 10-second heat up, ready quickly for fast, efficient cleaning and sanitizing. Large 350 ml water tank provides extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. High-temperature steam produces up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit steam for deep cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. Powerful 1200 W motor delivers strong steam pressure to tackle dirt, grime, and stains on floors, tiles, grout, carpets, and more. 23 feet extra long cord gives freedom of movement for cleaning large areas without unplugging. The PureSwirlz 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning fast and efficient. Its detachable handheld design allows you to clean floors, tiles, grout, carpets, countertops, and hard-to-reach areas with ease. Equipped with a 350 ml water tank and 10-second rapid heat up, it produces 248 degrees Fahrenheit steam for deep cleaning, sanitizing, and refreshing surfaces without harsh chemicals. The 1200 W motor ensures strong and consistent steam output, while the 23 feet extra long cord provides flexibility to clean larger spaces without interruption. Perfect for multi-surface cleaning, the PureSwirlz 10-in-1 Steam Mop combines power, convenience, and versatility to help maintain a sparkling clean and hygienic home. Number 4 Antrango Heavy Duty Detachable Steam Mop Cleaner with Fast Heating, Dual Speed Control, 17 accessories, 260 degrees Fahrenheit high temperature steam for floors, windows, tiles, grout and whole home cleaning, fast heating and high temperature steam. Ready quickly with up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit steam for powerful deep cleaning. Dual speed control adjustable steam output for delicate surfaces or heavy duty scrubbing. 17 accessories included versatile attachments for floors, windows, tiles, grout, countertops, and more. Detachable handheld design converts easily for detailed cleaning in hard to reach areas. Heavy duty and multi-surface suitable for hardwood, tile, carpet, glass, and other surfaces around the home. The Antrango Detachable Steam Mop Cleaner is a heavy-duty, all-in-one cleaning solution designed for fast and effective home cleaning. With fast heat up and high temperature steam up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, it eliminates dirt, grease, and grime from floors, tiles, grout, windows, and other surfaces without chemicals. Featuring dual speed control, you can adjust steam output for delicate surfaces or tough messes. Its detachable handheld design allows for precise cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, while the 17 included accessories provide versatility for every cleaning task. Perfect for multi-surface cleaning throughout the home, the Antrango Steam Mop Cleaner delivers powerful, steady steam and convenience to maintain a sparkling clean environment with less effort. Number 5 Rosewill 11-in-1 Steam Mop, 260 degrees Fahrenheit Handheld Steam Cleaner, 1200W detachable steam mops for floor cleaning, removable tank, multi-purpose steamer for hardwood, tile, grout, furniture. White point 11-in-1 multi-purpose steam cleaner functions as a floor steam mop and handheld steamer for versatile home cleaning. High temperature steam generates up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit steam to remove dirt, grime, and sanitize surfaces. 1200W powerful motor provides consistent steam output for effective cleaning on floors, tiles, grout, and furniture. Detachable and removable tank easy to fill, clean, and convert between floor and handheld modes, safe for multiple surfaces, gentle on hard